Start. The Supreme Court recently stated that an entity being subject to regulatory guidelines under a statute does not automatically make it subject to writ jurisdiction. Full stop. Instead, writ jurisdiction applies only when it can be demonstrated that the entity is performing a public duty or function concerning its responsibilities. Full stop. A bench of Justice Pardiwala and Justice Mahadevan summed up the principles regarding the maintainability of the writ petition in the following points: for issuing writ against a legal entity, it would have to be an instrumentality or agency of a state or should have been entrusted with such functions as are governmental or closely associated therewith by being of public importance or being fundamental to the life of the people and hence governmental. Full stop. A writ petition under Article 226 of the Constitution of India may be maintainable against the state government, authority, a statutory body, an instrumentality or agency of the state, a company which is financed by, owned by the state, a private body run substantially on state funding, a private body discharging public duty or positive obligation of public nature, and a person or a body under liability to discharge any function under any statute, to compel it to perform such a statutory function. Full stop. Although a non-banking finance company like the Finance Ltd, with which we are concerned, is duty, full stop, bound to follow and abide by the guidelines provided by the Reserve Bank of India for smooth conduct of its affairs in carrying on its business, yet those are of regulatory measures to keep a check and provide guideline and not a participatory dominance or control over the affairs of the company. Full stop. A private company carrying on banking business as a scheduled bank cannot be termed as a company carrying on any public function or public duty. Full stop. Normally, mandamus is issued to a public body or authority to compel it to perform some public duty cast upon it by some statute or statutory rule. Full stop. In exceptional cases, a writ of mandamus or a writ in the nature of mandamus may issue to a private body, but only where a public duty is caused upon such private body by a statute or statutory rule, and only to compel such body to perform its public duty. Full stop.